Myanmar's foreign direct investment is set to double this financial year to $3.5 billion, and the momentum is unlikely to slow, with the country projecting $4 billion in FDI next year. As May Wong reports, that's pushing Myanmar up the value chain.
The telecommunications sector looks set to overtake manufacturing in bringing in top dollar for Myanmar's economy.
Nearly 30%, which means about the 1.5 billion or nearly 2 billion investment will be in telecom sector, because we have already discussed with some of the potential investors in Myanmar, and some are in the pipeline for MIC's approval.
Some of those projects are likely to include improving communication connectivity by developing infrastructure. Apart from telecoms, Myanmar is also planning to increase its investment returns by shifting its focus from producing primary goods to value-added products and services. It's hoping to export more value-added products such as finished wood-based products instead of raw wood, for example, in 2 to 3 years. There's no denying that Myanmar still presents risks to investors, such as the lack of infrastructure, unskilled workforce, and ongoing ethnic and religious tensions across this country. But some are saying that the positive investment figures are indicative of how businesses are unaffected by the challenges, while others remain cautiously optimistic. Researchers behind this latest report observed that investments into Myanmar continue to unlock substantial growth opportunities, but they caution that the country needs to keep its communal strains in check for projects to really take off.
Investors are willing to look through this for now because the opportunity is just too good to ignore. But of course, there comes a point. Investors in this day and age have a lot of choice globally, there is a high risk if these issues are not resolved, and that we get into a point where some investors will walk away.
The 200-page report aims to mitigate risks by helping investors better understand Myanmar with its review of the whole spectrum of industries in the country.
The report not only highlights the recent developments in Myanmar, it also portrays the strategic directions and drive we can take towards a diversified economy. This report, Myanmar 2014, will stand in good stead for all business people interest in our country.
The report, said to be the most comprehensive on Myanmar's industries, also features interviews with key corporate and political leaders. May Wong, Channel News Asia, Naypyidaw.